TMCLyfeStyle. Just went to the front door, got a package, and all of this is nail polish. So I have a lot to swatch. These are 30 nail polishes from Femme Fatale. Actually, first time working with them. So I'm not gonna show you guys too much, but that's one of the shades, a nice flaky nail polish, very, very pretty. So I'm loving this. And I think I like this shape because on my wall back there, I can put one in front of the other and save space. I can have, because I can do my lights lacquer like that. All of the round bottles, I can't do them, but the flatter ones like this, I can do one in front of the other. So that's good. So 30 nail polishes. That's amazing. That's a lot, but it's gonna have to get done. Also, I have some Orly to swatch for you guys coming up. This is their 'Twas the Night collection. So I'll give you guys this actually is like out now, I think. So I can actually show you what the colors look like in there. So you have some glitters, some like fuchsia, some green. You know my favorite color is green. Some pretty greens. Two pretty like tealy greens. Light sky blue and a red. We always need a red for the holidays. So not my favorite red for the holiday. I think I'm going to show you guys what my favorite red for the holiday is in a video coming up. I need better lighting and everything. It's late at night. I didn't even turn on my lighting. But I think that would be a great video to show you guys some great nail polishes for Christmas, because a lot of people are going to be going to Christmas parties, stuff like that. This particular box, y'all are going to be mad with me. And I apologize to Orly in advance. I never got to this box. But this was Halloween, y'all. This is how long this has been in my possession. So let's open it up together since Halloween is over. Let's open it together. Let's see. This was supposed to be their Advent calendar polish collection for Halloween. I'm going to still swatch it. It's going to still be done. I just, forgive me. But it was a great concept. I did see it, you know, on other people's channels, but I never got a chance to do it. And they had a nice little card with my name on there. Hi, Valerie. That's what it says. It says it's time for the ultimate reveal of our new haunted collaboration. This was with Kelly. Oh, what's her last name? I'll leave a link to her channel down below. Everybody knows Kelly. Okay, but this was, oh, Kelly Marissa. It's right on the box. Ugh. Kelly Marissa. So you see how cute. And that's supposed to be her there because she always has her hair like dyed different colors and everything. She has a wonderful channel. And she is so very well versed with her nail polishes. Like, she knows everything about nail polish. So I love watching her channel. So you have all the different days, and then when you open them up, there are polishes inside each day. So I'm not gonna bore you with that in this particular video, but when I do the 'Twas the Night for Orly, we're gonna have a little Halloween and Christmas together. Let's see, Lights Lacquer came out with a collection. It's called, I don't know. I'll have the name here in the video, but that's a look at it. I haven't had a chance to get around to swatching that yet, but I definitely will swatch it. I want to say this is their fall or winter collection. I think so. This is also the nail stickers. Oh yeah, I see like little reindeer and mistletoe and everything. So I think this is like their Christmas collection. Pardon my nails right now. It's a mess. I was swatching earlier. So very nice. You're gonna get an up close preview at that. We're gonna work. We did another Shein haul, so you guys are gonna get it's not a lot. It's not a lot, but I'm going to try to throw on these few. I think it's like, well, 2 that I can actually show you. The rest are pajamas. I don't think my husband will allow me to put on that for the camera. Right, Bob? Okay, so this also came. This is KB Shimmer for January. If you're into polished pickup, they have some nice stuff for polished pickup. I'm not going to show that yet because that's definitely supposed to be a surprise. I have a package from, doesn't say a name. Who is that from? Let's see. Oh, Bo Reeves. I'll put the name here in the video. They're new to me. I'm new to them. The last polish I did was absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you a swatch here. That was for polished pickup for the month of December. So I'm quite sure this is their one for January. So I'm not at liberty to show this yet, but I will. Let's see what else we have. I told y'all, I'm behind with a lot of this stuff. This is Zoya. So Zoya, their polish is already on their website. So we can open this one. Let's open this one. My husband just put up curtains in my makeup room. So I'm super excited. We didn't iron them. I'm going to steam them very shortly. Got to order a steamer from Amazon. I wasn't even thinking about it, but now I have to do it. All right, so let's get all the little foam noodles out of there. All right. So, I'm sure there's nothing else in there. All right, so it says Winter Holiday 2023 Magical. So let's see what's in there. Look at my hubby. He is cleaning up in here. He is dusty. Oh, boy. See, when you give people compliments, then they stop. I shouldn't have said nothing. All right, so grand reveal. Okay.
All right.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, these are very pretty.
So pretty.
Look at that. Oh, these are pretty.
The blue is very pretty.
Yes, it is. I really like Zoya blues. I'm not a blue lover at all. If you watch some of my old videos, you will see why I hate blue nail polish on my hands. But that is a few from Zoya that are just like really pop. This pink is pretty too. And this one is not quite white. It's like a pinky color with some glitter in there. Oh, I wish they had the complete descriptions on here. But weird names this time around. Have to see how they're pronouncing a lot of these names. But very pretty. Ooh, look at that vampy. That actually is like a burgundy. I don't know what it's coming out like on the video, but it's like a burgundy shade. Pardon my hands if they're ashy. This is like a burgundy. It's super deep. That is dark.
Oh, yeah.
That's going to be gorgeous. Oh, now I want to really swatch tomorrow. Sometimes some collections get you in the mood. That's gorgeous. That makes me want to swatch like tomorrow. So you guys will definitely be getting some swatch videos back to back to back. So don't be mad at me. I'm telling you in advance. If you don't like nail polish swatches, don't watch, because that's what you're going to be getting, because I am in the mood for some color. Also, I am going on a hair journey for 2024. I don't know if I mentioned it in another video. I think I was going to, but I didn't. I don't know. I'm so behind with editing, but I'm mentioning it in this video. I'm going on a hair growth journey. I know a lot of you guys feel like, girl, your hair is already long and all that, but I feel like it's damaged. I've been putting my hair back in a bun just like this for weeks. Nadia can tell you.
No.
For weeks. For weeks. It's bad, y'all. And all I do is just take a brush and just brush it back. I haven't combed through it, anything. It's bad. So it's a matted. It's not really matted because I do spray it with pink oil sheen, and I might run a little bit of oil through it from time to time and just brush it back and put it in a bun. But I could do so much better. And I see here where my hair is kind of breaking right around here. So I know I'm not doing right. So I'm going to cut it a bit. I think I'm going to cut it even more. And the last Shein haul, I told you guys I cut it a bit, dyed my hair, blah, 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 blah. This time around, I think I'm going to cut it to like shoulder length. I think I'm going to leave the dye alone. I think so. Bobby is already talking about dyeing his beard and mustache. And you guys know I did say whenever my husband dyes his beard and mustache, I have to dye my hair because I'm not going to have him looking younger than me. But I can't continue doing this. I think the even though I'm not like really using a permanent situation, I think that just the rinse, something's happening. Could I be going through the change? I don't know. Something's happening. Something's happening. My hair texture, everything is kind of changing a bit. I don't know. I'm going to talk to my doctor. We're going to get some blood drawn. We're going to see where we are with things, but any little thing that I can do to help myself, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm doing a lot of research on hair products, deep conditioners. I'm looking at that Olaplex stuff. I'm really considering buying a little bit of that. I don't want to go too expensive because it's something I want to keep going with. And you know, you might buy that once or twice and then you say, oh Lord, that's a little steep this month. I'm not going to buy it. I want to get something that I know I can purchase monthly or whenever I need it. And I just want to be more vigilant with my hair. And you guys can go on a hair journey with me. So that'll be fun for 2024. And that's it for right now. So next clip you guys see will definitely be maybe some swatches or something, or me sitting at the desk doing some swatches. I cooked already today. That was done. I should have recorded it. We are going to have a clean with me video because I have to clean these bathrooms. I have to do some dusting. The girls are finishing up on their virtual school classes before Christmas break. So that's going on. I'm like pushing them to finish. The teachers are too, so that they can have a nice long break. And mommies and daddies can have a break. You know what I'm saying? And that's it. So stay tuned for the next couple of clips, and hopefully I don't bore you today.